Are you tired of microphones being a dick? Does your laptop only have one jack and that seems to be a headphone jack? Stick around guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if you're a bit like me, you're a bit naff with technology. You're not great at it, but you're not that bad at it, and you want to be able to hook something up. In this video I'm going to show you how to rig a usual jack microphone into your laptop. Please note, if you already do have a USB microphone, this method is not necessary, so obviously you can just skip this video completely, unless you want to leave it a like and a comment, just to say how great I am. Without further ado guys, let's jump into it. So as you can see here, it's only got one headphone jack on a laptop, no microphone jack to be anywhere in sight. If you try and use a microphone in this, it won't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this handy little device here. As you can see, it's got two ports, one pink, one green. The pink is for your microphone input, your green one is for your headphone input. This would act as both. So if you plug that just straight into your laptop, into a USB port like so, and then you can connect your microphone straight into the pink port. Open up your sound settings. Once the device is attached, it will come up saying the output device will be changed to your speakers, because of course it recognizes that it's a headphone jack as well. You can always change that back to your internal speakers if you so choose to. But this is the important bit. You've now got a USB audio device attached, and as you can see here, testing the microphone, it is switched on. If you want to make sure you don't get any sound coming from your built-in one, you can go ahead and disable it if need be. So this would be my built-in microphone here, but of course there's no sound coming from it because obviously the laptop has recognized the plug-in one as the default device. And I lost my volume for this section. For some reason it just wasn't working, so it's going to look very odd. But essentially that's it guys, you can just get it off Amazon. It's very quick and easy. That's it for me guys. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Updating. It's been a while since I did an educational one, and I hope this has been educational for you. Any questions? Leave it in the comments. See you in the next video.